Good morning, everybody. I hope you guys are all having a blessed day. Mine's going really good. We're just over here at the cemetery filming a couple of videos, and there's a little bit of a breeze blowing. I tried to put it at the back of the camera so the audio wouldn't be messed up too much. So if there's a little bit of wind noise, I'm sorry about that. We'll have to deal with it. So guys, listen, I want to talk to you about something that I have been noticing, and it's inflation. And people, listen. We need to start gearing up for that because it's critical and it's going to get worse. We are about to go into hyperinflation, and this is how it works. You know, right now in California, we are a little bit over $6 a gallon. Matter of fact, I'm going to put a picture in right here. I just took this picture as I was driving over here at the Standard Station. So this is the prices in Northern California. So listen, you know, just before Biden took office, we were down there at $3.30 a gallon, and look where we're at now. It's almost doubled. So I've noticed when I went to the store that the shelves are starting to thin out. I mean, they're really starting to thin out. But I noticed that my Folgers Black Silk coffee, that's the kind I buy, Folgers Black Silk. For the regular tub of coffee, it normally costs me about $8. Well, the last couple weeks, it's $12. It went up 33%. It went up $4. And then last week, when I left this cemetery, I stopped by the donut shop right down the street because it's one of my favorite donut shops. And my wife likes maple bars, and I get the cinnamon rolls. Well, I got her 2 maple bars and me 2 cinnamon rolls and 2 bags of donut holes. I buy that same thing whenever I go by there, and it's always right at $9. Last week it was $15. We went to Kentucky Fried Chicken here a while back, and I always buy the 8-piece bucket, and we'll get a side of coleslaw, potatoes and gravy, and 4 biscuits it comes with. Just a regular little family meal. That has always been $19.99, and now it's $29.99. My bug guy, I just got a letter from him. They just went from $78 every other month to $84 every other month, so that went up. I went to buy pool chlorine the other day, the 3-inch tablets. I get the big tub of tablets. It's $35. I went into Home Depot the other day, and that same tub of tablets was $56. People, listen. Inflation is going up way higher than your income. Inflation goes up this much, and even if you get like a 3 or 4% raise at work, your wages go up this much. Inflation, then your wages, you're never going to catch it. Every single one of us is making less money every month due to inflation. Inflation is going to just keep on going. Now listen, this is something that I want to tell you, and you need to listen to this. Greg Hunter on USAWatchdog.com, he just reported yesterday that gasoline pumps in America, we have 4-digit pumps. In other words, like this picture that I put up there, it showed gas like it's 621.9. So they have 4 digits, 621.9. Well, they're replacing all the pumps in America. They've already started building them, and they're already starting to roll them out into the gas stations. And those pumps have 5 digits. 5 digits. In other words, our 4-digit pumps only go as high as $9.99.9 a gallon. So $9.99.9 a gallon. That's as high as they go. So they know, the gas stations and the oil companies know that we're going to go over $10 a gallon soon. That's why they're replacing all the gas pumps. We will soon be over $10 a gallon and beyond. So guys, listen. Greg Hunter on USAWatchdog.com, he has on some of the greatest economists in America. And these people are saying that hyperinflation will probably be here by maybe the end of the summer and certainly throughout the Christmas season and into next year. Hyperinflation means that you could be paying you know, we're going to be paying 15, 20 bucks for gas. You might have to pay $10 for a gallon of milk. People, it's coming and you need to prepare for it. And this is what you need to do. Oh, also, food shortages are coming, and we're going to make another video about that. But you need to be stocking up on food. But people, mainly, listen to me. You need to get out of debt. You need to absolutely get out of debt. Try to pay off as much as you can and quit spending. Don't spend any money on anything that's not absolutely necessary. Start putting money aside. Because people, listen, it's going to get rough. It's going to get very, very rough. It's going to get so bad that the only thing we're going to be able to afford, you and me included, is just your house, you know, and your water bill and everything like that, and food. That's it. When superinflation, hyperinflation takes over, you're not going to be able to afford nothing but the bare necessities. And you're going to go to the store with a list and a budget, and that's all you're going to buy. People, hyperinflation is coming, and it's going to get very, very bad. Try to get out of debt, but mainly right now, start conserving your spending. Cut your spending. Try to get as much money in the bank as you possibly can so that you'll be able to survive when this hyperinflation comes. People, it's coming. It's already here. I mean, just the price we're paying for gas and everything else, everything went up 33% that I just quoted within the last 4 or 5 months. And it's going to get far worse. Anyhow, I just want to give you something to think about. Heaven or hell, you choose. Just remember, once you take your last breath, it's a done deal.